As we come over here, this is our software engineering, data science, product management team. At Iowa State, I studied landscape architecture, an amazing program at Iowa State, but I ended up minoring in entrepreneurial studies. I've always had business ideas or widgets or things. I'm big into the outdoors. If we made certain products, how would it sell? I've just always been an ideas guy, I guess you could say. I was working in farmland private equity. Good data makes really good investment decisions. And when it came time for me to buy equipment for my own farm, I had no idea what to pay. I had no access to good quality data. And so the whole concept or mindset came from, hey, we need to build Kelley Blue Book for tractors and heavy equipment. I was introduced to the Iowa State Startup Factory about 4 months into building. And I had just built a little bit of the wrong software, and it hurt my pocketbook personally, and that's not fun when you lose money. I needed some infrastructure around me, or some more structure of, okay, I have this, what I think at the time is a great idea that could be a really big business. And what the Startup Factory did was put that structure in place. I give it massive credit to the Startup Factory at the time of helping formulate my strategies and then putting them into real world foundation of actually starting the business and growing it. Stop me, ask questions, things that you're thinking about. It feels very full circle going back to Iowa State, talking to kids that might have an idea. So it's always great to go back. I remember being in your shoes when I was 18, 19, 20. The Iowa State Startup Factory and entrepreneurial studies at Iowa State have always been kind of that rock of mine that I can point back to of what was successful and helping me get here. What I think the ultimate result of the Startup Factory is it eliminated a lot of missteps that I was probably going to have if I didn't have that structure. So it really grounded me, making sure I'm doing it the right way, and I'm still super glad that I went through the program.